Yes, and we are baking in the kitchen. Thanksgiving part 2.
That's right.
If you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and check it out. I'll put it in the eye of the description. Yeah, so what kind of cupcakes are we baking today?
We're doing vanilla.
Vanilla cupcakes. Yes, stay tuned. Kisses. Welcome back to the channel, Spencer fam, and in today's video we are shouting out our sponsors, Kitchen Mama. This is an electric can opener. I know you heard that right. You've probably seen it before too, but in this video, along with all the other good stuff, you're going to see exactly how this works. So we're going to unbox it and use it for you, and you can see how much this has saved my life and brought much joy to my family. Alright, so you open it up and you see the thank you card. I love the packaging. Look at this, so unique. It basically has the instructions and a bunch of other goodies in there. You open it right up out of the plastic. I chose red. They have different colors to choose from. On the back there, you'll see that it has the magnet. And here you just insert your batteries. It takes AA batteries for AA. I had to pull out my Kitchen Mama for Thanksgiving dinner, of course. So here we have the Tasty Cheese brand, which is Jamaican cheese. Yum. You haven't tasted cheese until you've tasted this. Alright, I'm just pointing out that the magnet is on the back, and this is how you put your can opener on your can. We're using this cheese for our baked mac and cheese, so you'll see that in this video. Press the button and there you have it.
Mom.
Oh, I thought it was okay, let's see. Yeah, look at that.
That's the Kitchen Mama. Kitchen Mama for you all.
Enjoy some money off using our code. I will also link it in description. Happy holidays. Oh, there you go. Hi, baby.
Like you go to Adidas.
What are you doing today?
Making a cake.
You're making a cake. And then tell me how you make your cake. So you're gonna put the cake in the oven? Okay. And then are you gonna stir? Can you show me what's in there? Your cake mix? Show me. Okay. Yeah, I can see it. Very good. All right, let's get to mixing here. Okay. So you're stirring the egg? Let's show that. All right. So we're gonna add the oil. Ready, baby?
Ready.
All right, hold it. 1, 2. Good job. Keep mixing. Mixing. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir.
ahead, Mommy. Do you want to add your water?
Water.
Should I
Go
pour?
ahead. You want to pour it in?
Yeah.
All right, you do it.
Good.
Yeah.
Good job.
Well done.
Well done, baby.
Water, oil, egg, cake mix.
Here.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, now you do it. I'll hold it. You stir. Yeah, good girl. You're going clockwise. This way. Yeah. All right. There you go. Wow!
Right. So, Grandma's gonna put it over there on the electric mixer. Mix it some more.
All
We're
right.
going to pour it in your baking
Let's
cup.
do it.
Good, baby.
That consistency. What are you doing, baby? Oh, we're stirring? Okay. And what are these? Okay, good job. You
Tell Mommy you put all your little baking cups in.
Smells good over here. Alright, give me
Good
1
job.
second.
What?
That's the first one. And we're going to pour another one.
Well done, baby.
All right, let's go again, baby.
Good job.
Job. Well done, baby.
Mama's here.
And we do another one. Pour. Good job.
Big and make, hands away. Make, keys away. Make,
All right, baby, let's do another one.
I want to go over here, right here.
Pour.
Right there.
That looks like
Very
poop.
good.
Banana muffin.
Wow.
Hey! Gotta clip it.
One, two, one. That's milk. Milk. Milk.
All of these?
Yeah, that's one.
Okay, all of these.
Yeah, I think
Okay,
this
that's
is.
all I want to know.
Yeah, I just
No, Daddy's gonna get one.
That's one for me.
That one is for you?
Yeah.
And I get all of these?
Yeah, mommy go run.
Mommy gets like 3.
Mommy goes run?
Papa got 3 and mom got 3.
Oh, 3, 3, 3. Do we have enough?
No.
Do we have enough for all of us?
Here, Daddy. You want me to put it here? I love muffins.
You love them. Whoa. You want to pick her up really quick so she can see it? Muffins. You did it, baby.
Yeah, we did it.
We did it.
Let's all eat.
Okay.
The muffins are really hard.
They're not hard.
Where did it go? What?
All right, what's the Thanksgiving lineup?
Oh, here we have today, we have some ribs for you. Nice and tasty, done on the grill.
Ooh.
Thanking the chef for that.
Balance.
And here we have our ham, honey roasted.
Honey roast, let's get in there.
Ah, looking good. Yummy, yummy.
Okay.
And to the left of it, we have our roast chicken.
Yes.
Nicely stuffed. The cavity has been stuffed and it has been marinating overnight.
Yes.
So I know it's going to be quite nice.
Ooh.
And here we have the roast beef being carved.
Yummy.
You see the seasoning? All the seasoning,
Yeah.
all nicely stuffed.
Stuffed with seasonings. Ooh. Granddad. Yeah. All right, and then heading over to the table.
We have our mac and cheese.
Ooh, baked mac and cheese.
We have some green leafy vegetables right here.
Yes, and this and that. Gotta have the greens.
We have our rice and gungo. We have Elissia's
Famous vanilla cupcakes. All right. Ready for the family to be seated.
We have our potato.
One more. Potato salad. Ready to eat. 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 And we're gonna go take some pictures outside. There she is. Indy. Indy at Thanksgiving. Indy, come. Yeah, we have to get a picture of you and Elissia. We don't have any professional one. Does Indy have a plate? Go.
No.
Oh.
Come stand over this side. Stand on this side.
Best friend?
Best friend in it.
Uncle K?
Today.
Stay.
It's okay.
Okay, wow. Look at you two. But you gotta stand up, baby, so I can see you.
Cheese.
Aww.
There we go. Yes.
Baby and uncle say hi.
Hi.
Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah. The towel.
Yeah, we can just leave that on the table at the side somewhere. Just do it. Right.
You drinking it?
Yeah, we're gonna have it.
In a bit, thank you.
Pass that one to Frank.
In a bit, thank you.
Oh, in a bit.
One thing.
As is.
I'm needed as is. I'm not warming anything.
want cupcake.
No, you can't eat just